Hey everyone, thank you for coming back to another Cash Check or Credit with Kira. Today I have a review for you, a Southwestern chopped salad. It's got a cilantro avocado dressing. I have the ingredients here as well as the how-to, some beautiful pictures. I found this on Pinterest, so you guys can check it out on Pinterest as well if you don't catch all of the details. Doesn't it look so yummy? It's a great summer salad. I think you will enjoy it. Yeah, just stay tuned through the whole video so you can catch the alterations that I did make to it, because it is not vegan by the time I am done with it. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get started. Okay. What, girl?
I'm crying, Mama.
Why are you crying? He's crying, he's sad. Smells like summer. Yes, this is like summer. Oh man, it smells so good. It's going down. It's going down. Gotta get a little more. I like a lot of dressing in my salad. I need more than that. So I'm gonna add a little more. And I think I'm gonna use my spoon to help finish tossing it, and then pop it in the fridge so that all of the flavors can like marry and get happy. Improvising. Okay. There's Still some goodies at the bottom that haven't been touched. Just want to make sure everybody gets kissed with the dressing. Pop it in the fridge. Those shrimp gonna be so good. Amazing. Camera and let me take a look. Pop the top on that bad boy. Good. Oh, this. Put it together. It just makes sense. Yeah, there's another one. But yeah.